Guys, welcome to Web Designing HTML CSS course. My name is Vaseem and today we are going to start our lecture number 24. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. So guys, today we are going to start our home page, that how we can create our index.html page. Here we are going to put our content. Now, first of all, today I will tell you that if you are working with some company and you want to make the company homepage and they told you that they just want to write here some introduction, so how you can write here introduction for the company. And if you are creating the website for the school or academy or any construction company and they told you that they just want one video on the home page, like you can say index.html page, that video can be of their campus video, or you can say some lectures like this. So how you can put that video here also I will tell you this thing. And if you are going to create some website for the music company, or you want to write some audio messages for any company here, so how you can put the audio messages I will also tell you that how you can do this. Now let's start. As you know, this is our home page index.html, you can see. So what I will do is I will open from this folder. This is my folder where I have saved everything. So I will open this index.html file. Here you can see, right? So this is the area where we have to do the work. You can see this is our left sidebar and this is our right sidebar images. Here this one and this one is sidebar. Just to check whether I'm on the right position or no, I will write here something. I will save this and refresh my browser just to check whether we are on the right place. Here you can see we are on the right place. Now, first of all, I will tell you that if you are going to create a website for the company and they just want to show some text here for the introduction of the company, how you can put that text, let me show you this thing. For this purpose, I will do what? I will remove this text. This is my main div where I have to do the work. Simply I will do what? I will write div and the closing div tag, right? Now I have told you whenever you are going to do the work in the div base, then you have to create the div first and you will do the work. Now in between here at this place I will put dummy text. This is my dummy text. I will copy this and I'll put this test here like this. I will save this and refresh my browser. Here you can see the text is showing here. Now if you want to put some heading, you can also put the heading here, like let me tell you, like I will tell h1 closing tag, and in between I will write introduction, right? Now I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the text is showing, heading is showing and the text is showing, but here you can see the text from the right and left is not looking good. It should be justify. I have told you this method how you can put this text in the justify form. For this purpose, what I will do in this div where the text is, I will create a class, right? And I will write the class name. Let's say I will write the class name like home content paragraph, right? I will save this, and in the CSS I will write the class. Now for this purpose, because this is my home content, so I will first of all find that class or ID for the home content. This one is the class home content. After this class I will write my ID. So I will write here dot, because whenever we are going to write the class, I will write this dot, then I will paste the class name. And here what I will do, I will write here, like, first of all, what I want to do is I want some margin from the right, left, top and bottom. So I will put the margin. I will write here margin. Let's say I will write here 20 pixel, right? Margin 20 pixel mean from all the side it will create the margin for this paragraph. Let me also show this thing. I will save this style and I will refresh my browser. Here you can see the margin is created from all over, from top, right, left, bottom. You can see. Now what I want this text should be presentable form with the justify. So I will write here text align justify. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see it's looking very good, very nice. So in this way you can write the company introduction, right? Now what I want to do is, if you want to change the color of this text, you can change the text color. Like here you will write any color. You will write here color and you will choose any color. Like if you want blue, I will save this. You can also change the size. Here you can see, in this way you can also change the size of the text. You can create the space in the word, in the letter, whatever you want according to your design. You can do that very easily in this class after writing attributes. Now if you are creating the website for any school, academy or anything, like any construction company, and they want to show their video of their projects on the home page, how you can show that video in the home page? Now I'm going to tell you that part. Let's say I want to show the video here. For this purpose, what I will do is I will come in the index.html, because I want to show the video before this text, like here. So at the beginning of the text in the div, I will write here one attribute which is called video, because I want to show the video. So I will use this video tag, right? Now in between, what I will do is I will write, as I write here, video opening tag and video closing tag. Now what I will do is I will go to my this folder where I'm going to save my all files of this website. You can see these are all the side pages that we have created. This is what is copy I have created for the index. Let me delete this thing. Now these are all the files that we have created. Now what I want to do is, because I want to show the video in my index.html page, so I will create a one folder with the name video, and in this video folder I will paste any video, right? So what I have done is I have downloaded one video like this. I will save this video in my video folder, right? So this is just for your understanding, because if you are going to save everything in one folder, that will be mess up for you. So folders should be different for everything. Now in the video tag I will write here source. Source is what, where I have put the video. Like this is my folder website. I have created this video folder. This is my video which I want to show on my page. So here you can see the video is Now complete with the tag. Now if I will save this and refresh my browser, I will not able to see the video in the proper form. Just to see the video in the proper form, we will use what? We will use HTML5 tags, right? So what are those? I will write here control, controls. This is what? This is HTML5. Now we are starting HTML5. I will write here controls, and here I will write width, like I will write here 200, and here I will write height. Here you can see we will write here 150. I will save this and refresh my browser. Here you can see the video is here, right? And if I will click on it, the video will start. Now if I want to increase the size, I can also do that. Like I will write here 300, and the width is 150. If I want to change the height, like height is 150, so if I will write here 200, I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see, so if I will click on this button, the video will play, and this is the volume, how you can control the voice. And if I will click on it, you can see the video is on all the page here. Now there are also some interesting attributes for the HTML5 that we can use in the video tag. What are those? Let me tell you this thing also. First of all, if I want to put some thumbnail on this video, how I can put that? I will write here poster, right? And what I want to do, this is my folder, and in the images I want like this as a thumbnail. Poster image is my path, and this is the image which I want to show. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the thumbnail is showing on the video. Hope you understand this thing. We can also use more tags, like if I will write here loop and I will save this, what it will be done, whenever this video will start and at this time 10:21, the video will restart automatically. It will not stop, it will continuously work, right? And one more thing, the next attribute is about autoplay. If I will put this thing, I will save this and refresh my browser. You will see this video whenever you are going to open this page or refresh this page, this video will start automatically. I will tell you all these things at the end of the video. But before that, I want to tell you that I want this text here, just to avoid the wasting of this space. How I can do that? For this purpose, this is my class and this is the video tag. Because I want the text here, for this purpose I will write a one new class, right? What is that? The class is space video, because I want my text on the side of the video. So here what I will do, I will simply write here float left. Why I use here float left, I have told you in my last lectures what is the purpose of float left. You can review my last lectures, and if you do not understand anything, you can comment me. I will answer your questions.